Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub Exfoliant. This is a face scrub and that is meant to purify and unclog your pores. So this item, it says that each scrub is enhanced with one of 3 ingredients to deliver specific skin benefits. So this is part of a 3 product line. This one is for clogged pores specifically. It's an indulgent gel-like sugar scrub with real kiwi seeds and a refreshing scent of the kiwi fruit. Deeply yet gently exfoliates to purify and visibly unclog pores. Immediately after use, 100% of consumers felt skin looked perfectly clean and clear, and I can attest to that as well. Over time, 89% of consumers felt their pores looked unclogged. So yeah, I really like this one. To use it, you just smooth a small amount with dry fingers onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Massage it all over your face with wet fingers and then rinse with warm water. It's for all skin types and it just adds like a nice glow to your skin. I feel like it glides on and rinses off really easily. You can also apply it to your lips to smooth and refine your lips and improves the overall look of your lips. Don't use it though if you have chapped lips. Like if your lips are chapped, you don't want to use it. If your lips are nice and smooth already, this is going to help keep them that way. So yeah, so this is a really great face exfoliating scrub. I feel like it just melts into your skin, and it really do feel after I use it like I have that really nice, deep, clean feel to it. Like immediately after I use it, my skin just feels purified and clean and just really, really nice. I feel like it brightens my face up a lot, and yeah, it's just a really good scrub. I feel like it also does wonders for blackheads, even though it doesn't say anything about blackheads. I feel like since I started using this, it helps. I think almost any scrub will do that. So the product itself just has basically the same information that I just told you. Use 3 times a week, which I do. That is one thing that I do listen to. You can see in there that it has the kiwi seeds, which is pretty cool. It's a glass bottle, so just know that you don't want to like throw it, or just be careful with it. If you drop it too hard, it can break. It's a nice square bottle and it smells really good. It smells really fresh and really clean, and you can get one of those little kiwi. It's a little sticky. It is a scrub though. You can feel that it is definitely a scrub, so it's kind of grainy aside from like the seeds itself. So it's kind of like a gel with like a grainy kind of feel to it. You can't really rub it, so I'm just gonna grab like a tissue real quick so that I can take it off, because it's not something that you can really rub into your skin. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. It's like little sugar pieces in there, which it's a sugar scrub. So, I mean, that makes sense. So go ahead and close that back up. I would say this is the second tub jar I've gone through, and it lasts maybe like, I would say like a month and a half is how long it lasts, using it 2 to 3 times a week. So, I mean, I don't use the whole line, so I don't know if it would make a difference if you use the whole line. Oh, not even got it in the camera, but I don't know, I just use this one and I really like it. It doesn't feel slimy, and it smells so good. Also, just like a little side note, if you happen to get a little bit in your mouth, it does taste really good too. So just like, try not to get it in your mouth. You don't want to eat it, but if you happen to like get a little bit in your mouth, like especially if you're gonna put it on your lips, it tastes really good too. I don't know if it's the sugar or the kiwi part, but I don't know, I really like this stuff. I feel like it's really, really great for my skin. It's a great smell, great color, it lasts a good while, but yeah, overall this is just a really great product. I would be curious to use the rest of the line. I will say don't use this if you have super sensitive skin though. I feel like it's like the scrub it's kind of harsh on your skin, so if you have sensitive skin, you don't want to use this. But if you don't have sensitive skin, and you're looking for something that's gonna like exfoliate and give you a nice glow, this is really great product. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.